silencer, intake silencer, baffle silencer, whatever it is, this ugly thing. 22mm bung, copper, plumber's fitting, 22mm. There's the bung and the bracket I've made. A little bit of black paint on it so it doesn't stand out too much. Trimmed down, sat in there nice and secure. The only thing left to do now is test it, which I'm just waiting for the kidney delete pipe to turn up and some line connectors. I've got to tidy up these return spill pipe lines, but as soon as I can, I'll get it fired up. It's worst case, if it doesn't hold it, what I can do is I can rivet another bracket onto here, onto the top, run it down to this one. Something very similar to that. It's only simple little bracket, but yeah, see if it holds. For sale, if anyone needs it.